Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for flight schedules in the Virgin Atlantic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Flight Schedules button. So first you have to set the departing city or airport. And then you have to set the arriving city or airport. And you can tick if you want direct flights only or not. And then you have to set the leaving date. So like that. And yeah, and then just click on the search button. And there were no available flight for that specific date. So you can just try for another time until you find one that's available. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.